Start by clicking on Pathmonk Intelligence in your dashboard and go to the buying journey. Here, you'll be able to select the date segment for the analysis. Click the filter option to specify a UTM source, UTM medium, or UTM campaign of your choice to find out exactly how that campaign has performed regarding your buying journey and each stage of it. Using this section, you'll be able to compare the same campaign over various periods, enabling you to track performance trends and adaptations. Additionally, you can compare different campaigns running concurrently to gauge the effectiveness side by side. You'll also gain the ability to scrutinize specific stages in the funnel, from the initial awareness stage to the crucial consideration stage. This allows you to pinpoint precisely where your users might lose interest or encounter roadblocks that lead to drop-offs and take proactive measures to optimize their journey for enhanced conversions. For an even more detailed understanding of your campaign's impact on the overall traffic, head over to the traffic report on your left-hand menu. This report provides a comprehensive overview of how your campaigns influence the volume and quality of traffic to your website. Let's use this example of a mock-up for a newsletter campaign so we can see its impact on the days after it was sent. Use the segment B to compare the performance of different campaigns and identify which ones generate the most traffic, conversions, and the highest ROI.